Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add a video on your Google Sites in 2024. So today I'm going to show you how to add a video. Of course, whether you want to share a tutorial example with your visitors or even a promotional video or maybe just having some fun content. Adding a video is a great way to engage with your visitors on your site. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into this video and simply let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. So make sure to have, first of all, a Google account. So you can go, of course, to Google Sites and have an account already. Of course, if you go to this URL section example and we type here sites.google.com, we'll hit the enter button. We'll find ourselves here in this home screen and main screen. So if you have an account, as you can see, a Google account that's already connected, you'll find your icon here. If not, just click in there. Click on sign in to sign in into your account. And if you don't have an account, go and create a new one. It should not take a lot of time from you. It should be very easy. So once you create your account or you just logged in into your account, you should find yourself here. So once you are here, basically, all you need to do is simply go and click on start or this plus blank site to create a new blank site. If you want to start from blank. If you want to start from one of the template that you have, if you go here and click on templates as example, they have a lot of templates like for personal templates, for work templates, for small business templates, and for even educational templates. You may say, oh, they don't have a lot of templates, but as you can see, all of them are free. You don't have to pay any penny for it. So it's actually good to have some templates. You can even like switch it. However, you can maybe choose a photo portfolio and change it to whatever you want or customize it however you want, depending on whatever you want. For me, I'll just go and start from blank sites because I just want to show you how to add a video on Google Sites. So as an example, here that's gonna be basically like the sites. Here you can start be able, of course, first of all to choose a theme. You can add a theme or create a theme if you choose a blank site or even like a template or upload or import a theme as example if you have one, or you can simply change the color of the themes that comes with this or even the fonts, or choose another theme like this theme, this one, depending on whatever suits you. Maybe I'll choose for me this one. I like this. After that, you can start editing like the header for you. As example, maybe I'll change here some pictures. I'll even like go as example, maybe add this instead. Whatever suits you, of course. You can simply just go and even go and remove the readability like adjustments as example, so you can make a better picture depending on what you want. Here you can see simply go and like choose how to which parts of the picture you want to see as example. So for me, I'll just let it the center so this moon will show as an example, and as I said, you'll be able to add whatever you want to it. So other than that, make sure to add site names. An example for me, I'll name it Omex. Add the logo, the favicon. You can also add a favicon. What's a favicon? Basically, it's this small picture here on the left of every tab that you open. So, for example, if we go in here and open Google, we'll find a small favicon and here a small picture. If we go and open like GoDaddy, whatever, this is going to be their favicon. If we go and open like Shopify, as you can see, this is their small favicon and etc. So here I'll just go first of all upload a photo or a logo. So the logo will show here, and the favicon, as I said. So of course here you can change the colors however you want. So for example, choose this one, and you can upload a favicon that will not show at the moment. It will show, of course, after you publish your site and view it. The page title, of course, home screen because it's the first page. And here you can start adding as many pages as you want, and here you'll be able to start inserting stuff. So as I said, we would like to add a video on our Google Sites. So if you scroll down, first of all, you have a lot of options to add videos. So as you can see, you have first of all this option of adding a YouTube video. So if you go and click on that, you can add first of all shorts videos from your channel right away, or if not short like a normal videos, or an example, simply search of all the videos that you have. Maybe as example, I'll just look for white noise videos, so white noise as an example, and look for I don't know, maybe even rain white noise as example. And look for that example and add it to your uh, to your, of course, like sites. But as you can see, it will show as a YouTube video. And if you click on preview as an example and see how people will be able to see it as an example, so it's going to be something like that. Other than that, as an example, if you don't want this like YouTube video, so how can you add another video? So if you go here and click on embed, as you can see, you'll be able to start embedding from the web from a URL or embed a code. So if you want your own video, of course, you can simply just go here to your drive. And as an example, so I'll just go here to drive.google.com first of all. And what I need to do, simply just go and click on new and upload. I want to upload a video. I need to upload this here. So I can use this on my Google Sites. If I did not upload it here, of course, I'll not be able to do it. So, an example here, you can even add some blocks, whatever you want. Other than that, you can even add like a button that can simply take me to the video as an example. You can simply put the link here if you have it uploaded, as an example, on YouTube or something like that. But normally, as an example, once it's uploaded on Drive, you can simply just go up here, click on Drive, and simply have the video here. So simply just go and select it. And as you can see, the video, so as you can see, allow anyone with the link to access viewer, comment, or editor. So I'll just let it on viewer. And yeah, as an example, I'll just click on share. Make sure to have it just on viewer, so people just will be able to view it. So, as an example, I can close this. Now, if I click on preview here, so once people like go to my site, they can click on the video, and as you can see, they will be able to see this video. They can even change like the quality of it. As you can see, they can change the speed. They can have the subtitles if there is a subtitles. They can adjust the volume. Basically, it's like a YouTube video, but it's not like a YouTube video. I don't have it uploaded on YouTube or something like that. I just upload it on Drive, and it is good to go. As an example, so if I delete this as an example from here, let me show you, and go here and refresh. Let's see if it's gonna stay here. So it seems if I go here and click on preview, it seems like it stays, even if I delete this from my Google Drive. So keep that in mind. Like an example, if you have a lot of videos and you don't have a space, you can simply upload this, add it, delete it, and do the same for other videos. And yeah, that's gonna be it for me today. So thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.